Check out this little rig we got. Gives you a perfect 90-degree angle.
Now, what screws are we using? 2-inch screws?
Yes, we're going 2-inch screws
Get this box
for the
open yet?
plenum top to the back. Huh?
You open this box up yet?
Yep, it's open.
Where is it
It'll
open?
be open.
Doesn't open. This is the 5/8.
Yeah, this here is how we port our flow bench. This is flow bench porting. Got a little rheostat. Light dimmer switch set up. On a die grinder. Then that's to turn down the speed so we're not blowing the thing out of whack. Then we can get this doing something. Get this in something and hold it. It's a little bit sketchy there. So we'll get that feathered out. I really need to get a wood rasp. That way I can just roll the edges a lot easier. I need to get this mounted in a vise too. Or something to hold it solid. That's easy. Nice.
A lot of drilling.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Check this out. Gorilla Glue. Got it all stacked up on there. And then for the final seal on the outside, we got big stretch. This stuff here, it's a silicone that you can paint, but it's elastic to where it won't crack in the future.
Where's your wet rag?
Here's the wet rag.
Thank you. All right, ready? Let's get it.
3 to 3.
Let's see. Where's the one screw?
We put a lot on there.
Yeah, you got too much.
Yeah, too
Much
much.
too much.
Well, that's why I have to wear that.
That's good.
It's just
Ready?
take it slow because you make sure we're gonna hit that.
Get the hole?
Like so.
Alright.
There's another one on the bottom there, yep.
Get the hole? Okay.
Good.
Is that hole?
It's in there, yeah. You can just tighten those down. And you wipe off the rest of it. What's going on here? Shovel.
Not quite buried this, right? Okay. Don't do it. You wanna do it?
Putting glue.
Think it's enough on it?
Usually glue in the wife's house is a little bit. Yeah,
Turn it around.
What's this one here?
Turn it around. It's got it.
There's all.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you got it.
And I got the arrow on that back
Yeah,
side,
okay,
right?
right.
There's an arrow.
Okay. You guys line it up and you shoot a hole in it, or shoot a screw in it.
I gotta wipe that glue off once you get
Right.
a couple screws like this. Okay. There this goes.
Right there.
And these here we gotta pull down, 'cause that's where we have a little bit of a gap. And that's good. So. Actually pretty trick, dude. Excellent. That'd be some silicone, that one.
Cock her up a little bit.
Popped up after, so yeah, it's all dry. That's good, dude. Section here is a little bit tricky.
How do we get it?
Because we got to put these in the base, and they have to be exactly a 5-inch square. I'm assuming that way, the top, whatever fixture that you buy, must be with a 5-inch square bolt pattern. And so we'll drill these out, drill them out, and drive them in there. And I actually want to put some glue in there too. I'll put some glue down in there when I slide that in to make that way. If you want to bolt the fixture on and off a few times, it's not going to drop down inside the box, which you can get to it. But it's really, it needs a plate, like a metal plate on here, or something that's tapped and threaded. I mean, this will work, but I would rather put like a plate, metal aluminum plate on there, tap it out. That way you can just reuse it endlessly. But if I glue these in, they should hold. Oh, we missed putting the top on.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, take it back off, put it back on.
Yeah.
Better not, we already got the glue on it. You got the drill?
Come on. Here.
Where's the drill?
Here.
Put these. Get that lined up. Perfect, countersunk is ready to roll. Squeezing it out. Okay. Let me cut. Let's see here. These here, we put those threaded inserts in it. Not sure you can see, yeah. You can see those in there. So those are 1/4 and then you can just put this hook up here. That's the flange for your suction tube, and we can either silicone around that or we can glue it in. But this bad boy is pretty much finished. Needs a little cleanup action, and then we can get our super duper silicone, Mr. Big Stretch, and we'll put that all around the seams on the outside of it to seal it up. Pretty nifty, eh? Now, I'm not sure how far he's got on the airbox and the motors, but he's got six motors for the vacuum box.